Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, another quick tutorial lesson, and hopefully this one will help someone with this common problem, which is annoying door hinges that come loose. So we've got one here on our bathroom door. It's been happening for a little while. I just need to get it sort of fixed down. So I'm going to show you guys if we can fix it. I'll show you guys a quick way to do it. Right, so here is the door hinge in question. You guys can see it here. If you look at the hinge, you can see it hanging off. A lot of times I've just screwed it back together with a screwdriver, but it's something that needs sorting out. As you can see, it's getting worse, and now it's just not holding at all. So we need to sort it out. So I'm going to take these screws out, and then we'll have a better inspection. This actually has a little spacer in here, and it was originally installed by someone many years ago, so we'll keep that spacer as well. So here we go. These are what we got, little screws. These screws are quite small and they're short. So one of the main issues is how short they are. So what would be happening is the timber inside the door up to the full thread of this has basically been eaten away and enlarged. So a simple way to solve this is to put in some longer screws, which will catch into some fresh timber further down inside the door frame. So that's what we're likely to do on here. See if I can get some screws similar size, but a bit longer. That's the first thing to try, and probably that will end up working. So I've got these ones that are they're about the same thickness, but a bit longer. The head is slightly bigger, so not sure if it will be okay, but we shall see. So I'm going to try these longer screws. Let's see if they work. So that's definitely gripped, and that's what you want. There we go. So as simple as that. It's just upgrading the screws, slightly longer screws, catching into some fresh timber in that joist. You want to make sure they're not too long so they come out the other side of the frame. You can do the same thing if it's a door where they're coming off here. You can get some more meat into the door. If you're going to use thicker screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill a pilot hole. That's basically a slightly smaller hole than the screw, just to make sure you don't split the wood or anything. But in this case, these are fine. So I'm going to check to see if this closes fine, and that'll be job done. There you go, door's closing. No more hanging off the hinge, as you guys can see. Job done. Guys, so that's it. Quick video tutorial for you guys. Hopefully this helps someone who's got this issue. I'm sure many of you have this issue around your home, and you just got to get it done. So just get some screws, guys. Go fix that door, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe. See you soon. Take care.